Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a contract on Sourcify, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify a contract on Sourcify, start by visiting the Sourcify website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the contract verification option from the main menu. Click on that option to begin the verification process. You will see a prompt to enter the contract address. Copy the contract address from your source or smart contract. Paste the contract address into the designated field. Next, select the appropriate compiler version used for the contract. Review the contract code to ensure accuracy. If your contract has multiple files, upload them as required. Once everything is in place, click on the Verify button. Wait for the verification process to complete. You will receive a confirmation message once the verification is successful. Check for any error messages if the verification fails. If issues arise, double-check the code and parameters you entered. Once verified, your contract will be publicly accessible on the Sourcify platform. You can now share the verified contract with stakeholders or the community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.